podcast. Today we'll talk about how can you turn on open insert notifications on your OpenTable app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it. So then it's going to take us to this list here on your profile, and you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then you click here on communications and come to this list here. Then you go down, so and you click here on email notifications. Then you come here to open tab insert here, clicking this sign. So clicking this sign here, then like you see this color show for us, that's mean open tab insert it's turn on with us now. Then you click here in this sign to go back, and you click on save. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.